Guitar Ninjas, and welcome to your first ever guitar course. In this one we're going to cover things from complete basics, so if you've never even held a guitar before, this course is right for you. All you need is a guitar itself and the extra benefit if you have a plectrum. This first course is just about you understanding the basic concepts of the guitar, the simple parts, where some of the notes are, how a guitar is meant to be tuned, and a few bits like that. You will finish this course with a whole song that's 1 minute long called the Ninja Anthem that goes along with our grades. The song gets harder as we progress, but for our white strap, there is a single note version that we can run through. Remember to watch every single video of this course till the end to earn your coins and fans, and at the end of this course there is a quiz for you to test your knowledge. If you get full marks on that, you'll find yourself earning more coins and fans than you will from watching any individual lesson. Remember, you can use those coins to upgrade your character, and the more fans you have, the bigger stage you'll be on, so it's well worth checking out this course to the end, especially if you haven't played guitar before.